the channel. So today we're going to start the car. The plan is we're going to try and get the wind deflectors on the car today. The car is looking awful, so it does need a clean, so I'm not too sure whether I'm going to clean it first or just concentrate on trying to get this installed. Not sure yet. It will be dependent on the little ones getting to sleep in the car. We're just going to drive around the block and see if we can get them to sleep, and go from there. So basically just started the car, haven't driven it for about a week, and I'm just going to take it for a spin, as I say, get the little man asleep, and go from there. So yeah, so as you can see, just started the car. We've got the program air filter, been on for quite a while. We've got the AirTech filter with the slam panel, filters the air through. We've got the BD Performance pipes. Got the crossover pro hose pipe at the back there for the turbo to cross over, and then we've got the lights running, LED lights. Just needs tidying up, really. We've got a few bits to do. I might change this. I've seen this is getting popular. Might change that. Maybe we'll see. But I might start taking off a couple of bits and start painting. But anyway, we're going to get off now, and hopefully we can start this. Start the next part. So let's go. So the car's looking all nice and shiny now. We've got that done. Looking sweet. Although I could really spend a bit more time on it. It needs a bit more detailed. But that will do for the moment. So what we're going to do is we're going to concentrate on trying to get these windows, wind deflectors fitted today. And I'm hoping this will turn out absolutely fantastic. So we're back. It's now 7:30 in the evening. My idea was to obviously get the wind deflectors done today. It was a beautiful day in London, so I was hoping to get this done early, but unfortunately it didn't work out, and the kids wanted to go and play in the pool, so that was priority, and this is second. So 7:30, what we're going to do now is we are going to try and get these wind deflectors fitted. I've got to get it done because I can't wait any longer. I'm dying to do it. So obviously earlier on I showed you some shots of the car. It was dirty as hell, so we went down, cleaned the car. That was one thing I did manage to get done via the jet wash, which I wouldn't normally do, to be fair, but and it took like an hour and a half to clean it up because it was a state. But so we've done that. We're showing some content of the engine bay. We've got some ideas on that to sort that out, but right, we're just going to crack on and get this done before it gets too late. So bam, let's do this. Right, so this is how the package arrived, in a good order, and let's get this open. Do this now. I actually haven't even opened it, so hopefully it's not damaged. Right, there we go. Let's move that along. Take that out. Right, here we go. So, wind deflectors, been packaged fairly well, and they are by Heko, Team Heko. I think that's how you say it anyway. And we're hopefully going to get this fitted with some instructions on how to do it. So I'm going to try and do this step by step, get these fitted before it gets dark. So yeah, let's crack on with that. Okay, so we're going to try and work this out. Obviously they come with the clips just to secure it in place. So we're going to open these up now. I've just cleaned the windows, the channel down and the window, using an alcohol based. I'm just going to try and get this done, married up now, using these lovely clear instructions and get this done. Okay, so let's get this started. So window completely down. Now I'm guessing these will fit quite simply into the channel and so on up here. So we're going to, basically it's going to sit in there, and then there's some clips, a bit of adhesive there on that side and up here, and that will sit in the channel, and then the clip will go in just to secure it in place. Seems pretty simple, like it should be, really simple. So yeah, let's take the tape off, let's push this in and see where we get to. Okay, so yeah, simple. You just push into here, you bend this side slightly to fit into here, and you just push up, which is fine. Now this isn't going to stay by any means in place without some clips which are provided. So I'm going to put that in. I'll put one right under there, probably in this corner, and then another one up here. Camera skills today useless. So yeah, I'm going to put one up here in this area, and then I'm going to put one down over here, just to secure this here. So I'm going to do that now. There's two little clips here. To be fair, it would be nice to probably have three. Do 1, 2 and 3. So an extra clip would have been useful rather than 2, but we're going to make this work. So I like that look already. Yeah, that looks sweet. So yeah, let's get these clips in. Just show you in a bit more detail on this side. So I've got one side done. So you just put it into the channel just there, really simple, and then you just sort of bend this side slightly back, again just to fit into the channel, and let's just it's in position. Yeah, and just obviously pushes up. I think it's really simple process. So it just fits in there like that. Obviously it needs clips because there's nowhere that's going to hold, even with a little bit of tape that on this edge. It's just not, it's not going to work. So we've clipped it right at the very top on the other side, and then right in this corner over here. That's what I've done anyway. So but as I say, it could probably do with an extra clip, to be honest. But so I'm just going to put the clips in now and show you that. Basically, I'm going to put the clip in here like so. I'm just going to push that into the channel, right in like that. You can see that? Probably not. But all the way into the channel, so it's sitting in there flush. We'll test the window on this side first to make sure that doesn't catch. See how that works out. So let's just double check that now. Let's get the car on. See if we can make that work. Get the key to detect. Come on. Okay, well, there we go. Let's see if we can get that. It didn't like that on that side. Right, so currently the window is detecting there's something there. That's why it's obviously not closing fully, because it thinks there's somebody, a hand or something. So yeah, didn't like that on the first time. Can't hear anything catching on that side, so we're going to leave that with that for the moment and fit the other clip. Okay, so both sides are in. A little bit fiddly, just trying to get it right. This is how the car's sitting at the moment, and yeah, I mean, they look pretty good. I wasn't 100% sure a moment ago, but I think it looks alright. It goes quite well. I like the fact that they're tinted. Yeah, it seems to sit quite well. So hi guys, I've just popped to the local supermarket just to take a few shots of the car. So while I was here, I just thought I'd end the video there. So obviously fitting the Heko, Team Heko wind deflectors, really simple. It's like a 10-minute job. It's getting the clips just to sit right, so one, it doesn't scratch the window. Yeah, apart from that, I mean, it's pretty simple, but I think they're pretty sharp. I'm pretty pleased with it. So we'll have a better look in the morning and see how it looks then. But at this stage, I'm going to leave the video there. I'm just going to end it here. You know, it's a simple mod. I mean, I don't even know really I should put this video up. It's so simple, but they do look good. I think it enhances the car, the side of the car, which is what I was going for. I was looking at them for a while. I wasn't quite sure, but I've seen a few people obviously have them, and I thought, yeah, no, I'll give them a go. So worst case scenario, we'll take them back out again, so no big deal. But really simple job. Hopefully you've seen that in the video. Yeah, it's like a, as I say, about a 10-minute job. Just dip them in, just put the clips in, done. It says to leave them for an hour with the windows up, so we'll do that. Just is some tape on there, so maybe that does adhere somehow, but could do with an extra couple of clips for sure. But yeah, look guys, I appreciate your time. I'm just going to leave you with a few shots of the car now, but I'll catch you on a few. Thanks.
In complete darkness, we are all the same. It is only our knowledge and wisdom that separates us. Don't let your eyes deceive you. In complete darkness, we are all the same. It is only our knowledge and wisdom that separates us. Don't let your eyes deceive you.